Hello everyone. The book we are going to read today is In the Ocean. In this book, we will see some interesting things about the ocean and all the colorful and beautiful animals that are living in the ocean. This book is written by Jennifer Szymanski and this book has some chapters. Water in the ocean. An ocean is a large body of water. Most of Earth is covered by oceans. They make our planet look blue from outer space. From space, the oceans look still. They are not. Ocean water is always moving. We can see ocean water moving by watching the tide. At high tide, water covers the beach. At low tide, the water moves back. Now we can see the beach. Waves swell and crash in the ocean. Wind helps make waves. A fast wind that blows for a long time can create huge waves. Other times, waves are small. They rock back and forth. And now it's your turn. Move like the ocean. Tell what you're doing. Ocean homes. Many animals live in the ocean. Some live in tide pools. These pools are made from rocks near the shore. Water covers them when the tide is high. At low tide, the pools have less water, but animals still live there. The forest doesn't have trees, it has kelp instead. The kelp here grows very tall to reach the sunlight. Fish hide in the kelp's leaves. Otters dive into the forest to find food to eat. Coral looks like a rock or plant, but it's actually an animal. Lots of corals live together. They form a coral reef. Coral reefs are home to many living things. Eels hide in the coral. It keeps them safe. Narwhals. It's tough to live in some ocean places. The North Pole is very cold all year. Much of the water and land is covered with ice, but animals still live there. The South Pole has ice too. Feathers help these penguins stay warm in the cold water. Deep at the bottom of the ocean, the floor is very dark. Not much sunlight reaches it. It's not easy to live here either. People can travel deep underwater in special vehicles called submersibles. Firefly squid, sea pen, many critters live by the deep ocean floor. It is dark and cold, but it is still home. Animals in the ocean. Blue whale. There are many kinds of ocean animals, big and small, fast and slow. The blue whale is the biggest animal on earth. It doesn't hunt big fish though. Instead, it scoops up tiny animals called plankton. A close-up of plankton creatures so tiny you often need a microscope to see them. There are lots of tiny animals in the ocean. Some are so small you can see them with just your eyes. Some animals can live deep in the ocean. Yeti crabs and tube worms live near underwater volcanoes. Anglerfish hunt for food near the ocean floor. Other animals can swim very deep. Seahorses stay in shallow water. Manatees drift slowly under the water. They don't have to be fast. They have plenty of food to eat and no animals hunt them. Other animals are fast swimmers. This fish is one of the fastest animals in the ocean, marlin. Jellyfish have soft bodies. Some types of jellyfish protect themselves with their tentacles. If an animal gets too close, the tentacles will sting it. This turtle has a hard shell. It keeps the turtle's soft body safe. This slug has a colorful body. Its bright colors are a warning for other animals. They mean that the slug is poisonous. If an animal eats the slug, it could get sick. The fish is hard to see. It is not colorful. Its color helps it hide in the sand. It's a flounder. And now it's your turn. Draw an animal you might see in the ocean. Tell about the animal you drew. Is it big or small, hard or soft, colorful or not colorful? People and the ocean. People all over the world use the ocean for work and for play. Boats like this one carry people out on the ocean to catch fish. Big ships carry cargo. This ship will travel to another part of the world. Many people enjoy relaxing on the beach. Others glide over the waves on surfboards. People swim in the ocean too. They enjoy seeing the animals that live there. People often live by the ocean. They catch fish and shellfish to eat. They can use special machines to take salt out of ocean water. Then they can drink it. Some people live in tall houses on stilts. The stilts keep water from getting inside. Most of Earth's water is in the ocean. Many animals and plants live there. Many people live near it too. That's why it's important to protect the ocean. You can protect the ocean by keeping it clean. When people litter, the trash they drop on the ground can end up in the ocean. Trash in the ocean can make people and animals sick. You can help by picking up trash on the beach. You can also help by learning as much as you can. Share what you know, then other people can help the ocean too. Wow. Hope you all liked the book. Until next book, see you all.